Alright, so good morning everyone. So let's review the Asus ROG Phone 6. Okay, so according to Antutu, this is one of the most, actually not one of the most, but it is the most powerful Android smartphone in the global market. According to Antutu, ayan. So this is how ROG Phone 6 looks like. So very sleek design, very brilliant. And in their research, okay, so Asus Phone 6 comes first. I was so sad because my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is not in their list, but Galaxy Z Fold 5G was there. Okay. I was also sad because my other phone is not here, which is the Galaxy Flipped is not here. So yeah, my new phone is Samsung Galaxy Ultra S22. And I was waiting for my ROG Phone 6, which will be coming. Okay, later, let's review that. And this is this review. Antutu has published the top 10 most powerful Android smartphones sold on the global market. The ranking is based on the results of performance tests from August 1 to 31. Alright, so this is very good review na aasahan natin from the Antutu. So by the way guys, yung Antutu, ito yung isa sa mga websites, to tech websites na kung saan ay laging nangunguna. Okay? So they are doing the reviews every time na mayroong lumabas kagaya ng Android phone na to. Okay? Mga gaming phone. So here's what we know according to Antutu. 4 models based on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile processor made it into the top 10. But only 2 of them made it into the top 3. Okay, so 'di ba, napakagaling talaga ng Asus. First place went to Asus ROG Phone 6 with 16 gig of RAM. Wow. It was result its result was 1,110,172 points. Okay, 'di ba? Nag-survey talaga sila. And they really conducted their own investigation, their own assessment how is all about the phones, the gaming phones na they are publishing. Okay, so maraming specs na magaganda. So, yung by the way guys, baka gusto nyong bilhin yung old ROG phone ko. It is also available. So, just message me in the description of this video. On the second position, IQ 0090 with 1,081,222 points comes the second from the top 10. And the third was taken by the Nubia Red Magic 7. Actually, itong Nubia Red Magic na to, gusto ko rin to last time. Kaya lang ang nagustuhan ko talaga is yung ROG phone. Napakaganda. Yeah, okay, so it average. So, na yun, basta napakaganda. Okay, so 'di ba? Ito 'yun yung Red Magic. Gusto ko rin 'to yung Red na. And yung Mi Phone. Maganda rin yung Mi Phone, kaya lang ayoko siya. Nakita ko naman yung maganda sa Mi Phone is the camera. Maganda yung camera ng Mi Phone. Doon sila nag-focus. Siguro yun din yung tinignan ng mga na-survey nila, yung kanilang based on assessment. At nakapagtataka lang, yung Black Shark Pro, medyo bumaba yung kanyang kasi usually ROG then Black Shark yung magkasunod na kaagad eh. Two more Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 powered models rank 4th and 9th. The Xiaomi Mi 20 125 Ultra. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga ba, tumaas yung itong Xiaomi yung nakakapagtaka. And then yung Galaxy Fold, sabi ko na nga ba maganda tong Galaxy Fold din eh. So ano rin siya, Diyos ko po. And in fairness, merong Weibo na nakapasok. Ayan, so abangan ninyo guys, mamaya baka try kong pumunta. Pumunta talaga sa Xiaomi. Yan, mamaya guys, pupunta tayo sa sa SM. Gusto ko yung Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. Okay, yun yung aabangan natin. And then, syempre, later on, kayo don't stop watching this video kasi ito na ang ROG phone.